Every night I've been watching all the stars that fall down. And they're just the dreams that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to. Sabik na akong makasama siya. Gusto kong bumalik sa labi at mga pisngi niya. Pwede bang ibalik pa pag-ibig namin dalawa? O walang na talaga, dahil nga ngayon wala na ako doon sa piling niya. May roon pag-asa pa ba? Sana lang ay magkaroon isa pang pagkakataon. Ibalik pa ang kahapon ay kasama ko siya nung ako ay masaya. Nung ako ay masaya. Nung ako ay masaya. Nung ako ay masaya. Napagkasakit ang dinaranas ko ngayon. Para bang ako'y sinagsak sa puso ko'y pinaon. Ang di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Nililisan ako kung ba maintindihan ko ang puwang sa puso at isipan. Kailangan gawin masasapat. Iwasan ko hanggang sa pinagdaanan. Pipilitin kong kalimutan ka hanggang dito na lang. Pilit ko man ipaglaban ating pagmamahalan. Ito'y baliwasan pagkat ako'y iwan. Hanggang dito na lang, ikaw nagpaalam lang kung hanggang. I made the same mistakes that you did. I know of myself, 'cause my heart's so much mystery. I will not break the way you did. You felt so hard. I've learned the hard way to not, because of you. Learn to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. I lost my way, and it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry, because I know that sweetness in your eyes I will still fade. I smile and laugh every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break, but it wasn't even all the stars made. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. dreams I have heard you cry at night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. And now I cry in the middle of the night. I am straight too far from the sidewalk.